modern historians and diplomatists have arrived at truly stunning estimates of the scale of medieval forgery. Of these surviving diplomas, the documents produced or issued by the Merovingian kings, the kings who ruled what's now France from the 5th to the 8th century, half of the surviving Merovingian diplomas have been judged forgeries. So forgery is a problem for modern historians of the Middle Ages, but it was also a problem in the Middle Ages. With very few exceptions, these forged documents are not modern forgeries. They weren't perpetrated in an effort to rip off buyers in search of precious antiquities, the kind of forgery we associate with the art world. They were, like the document with which I began, medieval forgeries, perpetrated not because of their monetary value as artifacts, but because of their contents, the rights, privileges, and property they conferred on their recipients. I'd like to place the problem of forgery in the broader context of early medieval concerns about truth and deception in law.